Okay, I'm back. Same exact video of what I was just on here. So I want to show you guys how quickly and easy it is to use the Cleaning Melt Me Down spray. So first thing you want to do is make sure your hairline is nice and clean. So you can use some 99% alcohol, bam, or some regular alcohol you got. But as long as you're cleaning to allow any of the oils and stuff that's on your hair to be removed, right? So I'm only doing my little 4 inches, 5 inches of my front hairline because I'm putting on a closure wig. Now, the video I just showed you where you saw me removing it, it was literally in the past 5 minutes. And I wear this product all the time on my wigs. And you can see I'm just putting it on really quick right here, right? Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do it, but I'm going to show you how I do it because I'm quick and easy. Now, normally, keep it 100, I don't wear no wig cap because I have alopecia, so I just literally cut all my hair off, put this bad boy on just on my skin, and it's so beyond easy. So for you guys on the video, and if you do, you normally want to put it right on your, where you would normally place the lace wig. So it would normally be here to here, or if you're doing a frontal. If you're doing a frontal, I recommend you do piece by piece by piece by piece and with a blow dryer. I'm going to do a video with a frontal. It's just that I don't have a frontal with me that's new that I want to do it with, if that makes sense. So I want to do it with a brand new frontal, then I can show you guys how to do it. I have the frontal wig, but I've been coloring it and messing with it, and I don't really want to wear it yet because it's not the color and style that I want yet. So I want to recolor it and do this other stuff before I show you guys how I use this product for my lace wig application. Now, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. Number one, you do need a blow dryer, but you don't have to use a blow dryer. If you're doing a closure wig, you definitely don't need a blow dryer. Simply because it doesn't take that long. It's only at 4 inches, and I normally let it air dry. So first thing I'm going to do is put the wig on. I've already cleaned my front hairline. Now, normally if you used to wear a wig grip, it's going to be moving around, and then the wig grip makes it stuck. You can wear a wig like this, but my problem is somebody go like this to me, it's going to be a whole problem, right? So even though it fits pretty secure and glueless, somebody go like that. Walking around like that, I don't feel comfortable. I don't have no Meek Mill braids underneath my wig, okay? So, I normally spray a little bit of my Melt Me Down spray right in the front hairline, right there, and melt that bad boy. Okay, somebody do this? Then I'm like, nope, can't do that, boo, because it's going to be stuck, okay? All right, so this is what I do every day. Actually, I do it every 3 days because this lasts me a really long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this portion with the Melt Me Down spray. See it? All right. So normally I'll let it run down a little bit for my front hairline, and then I'll push it back. So now we're going to go right here. To where I want my forehead to be. Because, you know, you can make your forehead any type of way. You want a big forehead, you can do a big forehead. If you want a short forehead, you can have a short forehead. But what we're not going to do, we ain't doing this, right? So it's going to go right about here for me. And it's going to stay there, right? And I'm not going to speed this video up. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I do it when I'm home. Keep this bad boy on. So it's going to literally take a couple of minutes. And I might speed it up, the video itself, so that you guys don't have to sit here and see me wait. But normally, if you was to do it at home, you would touch the blow dryer right here, right here, right here, right here, until it's done. I normally don't. I literally go in the bathroom in the morning when I'm waking up. That part was almost stuck. I just lifted it back up by mistake. And then, right here. Now what I'll do on top of that is I'll lay my baby hairs right now. I don't have a darn comb. Excuse me, I'll be right back. All right, so then normally with the little bit of excess of the spray that's left over, I can then normally lay the baby hairs. I'm not really that baby hair type of person. So I don't really do that all the time. But you can if you wanted to. But this is just a real quick video on how easy it is to melt the lace. And then, oh, I forgot my darn water bottle. All right, wait a minute, y'all. Hold on. All right. So normally after that, you can put a scarf down here to make it flat. Normally what I'll do is I'll figure out what type of parting I want to do first before I put a scarf on my head. This is nothing but a little bit of water and some extra virgin olive oil. And right now I can already tell that my front is already done because I've been using this for so long now. All right. It's not fully there yet, but it's getting there. So normally this is going to be done, and I'll put a scarf on my head right about now after I already wet the hair, saturated with any sort of curling product that I want to use today, and then it'll probably be ready within 10 minutes. Don't mind my little baby hair because I ain't really doing it. I'm just showing you how to melt the lace, okay? And how quick and secure your wig can be afterwards. I'm just trying to let it dry first before I start tugging on it a little bit. But yeah, you can use a spray. If you want to reinforce the front hairline and the little part was lifting, you would just touch it up right here real quick and then lay it right here. You can do it outside of the lace. So if you had a brand new wig and you want to do it that way, you can also do it that way. I'm going to show you with one of the wigs that I have here. That I have, it's actually available on sale. I just haven't posted it on sale. So for example, see how it has the lace right here? This is a 5x5 closure wig. So if I was to put this wig on, like this, for example, you see how the lace is out here? It's already still not cut. If you wanted to, you can spray it right here, let the lace lay and like be secure, and then cut the lace off, if that makes sense. So since I have a used wig on, I'm showing you how I do it with a used wig. But ultimately, if you had a new wig, you can spray underneath your hair where your normal front hairline would be, and then you can spray on top of that lace and then cut the lace off if you want. It's a lot of different ways to do it, but all the different ways, it's very, very easy to do. So now, look, it's still not all the way secure because I didn't blow dry it, and it's literally only been 3 minutes since I posted this video. But I'm going to pause it real quick and then come back and show you guys how secure it is within the next 5 minutes. All right, y'all. I just put a little scarf on, literally probably 10 minutes. Started messing with my computer, and you see that? Ain't nobody gonna pull my wig off talking about, hey, I see your Meek Mill, no Meek Mill braid. Nope. This bad boy is not gonna go nowhere, y'all. This is how it normally is every single time I wear my wig, and it will stay like this for a couple days. That was it. Dope, right? Yeah. So check it out. It's on cafunehair.com, or you can get it at upscalelacewigs.com, and it's also on Amazon as well. Cafune Melt Me Down Spray, okay? It's a lace melting spray. So Hopefully this video was quick, easy, something that for you guys to understand how you can just melt all this baby hairs, the lace and everything, and it doesn't have to be harsh and hard to remove it. And if there's any shine or anything like that, normally I'll just take that same alcohol little cotton ball that I had and then wipe it off. That's if I see anything extra that I'll be spraying it down there and stuff like that. And then I go on by my day. This literally takes easily a 10-minute application. So hopefully you guys understand it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me or DM me. All right, so I have to go get the bottle so you can see everything and what size it comes in. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, like I said before, or DM me. I always have the biggest bottle because I use this every 2-3 days. And this is the 10-ounce bottle. It's a lot. It'll last you a long time. And then the Mellow Out spray is helpful with removing it. And then I also have a 2.25 ounce. So you can buy it in a package that these two go together. These two go together. Or you can buy all three of them for a discounted price. So this is really good to have in your pocketbook in case you want to do quick touch-ups when you're out on the go. And this is good for when you're home and you're just doing it real quick as a daily melting spray. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, DM me. Hopefully this video helped with you guys with how to use this product. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.